In the cold season of 2021, an 83-year-old woman living in Ohio spent 4 long days completely isolated inside her house. A heavy snowstorm had knocked out the electricity. Her cell phone battery had died. Her landline no longer worked. Every neighbor on her street had already left town. By the second day, her cupboards were empty. By the third, she was so desperate she began melting snow in a pot just to have drinking water. When the power finally came back on, she was found curled up on the floor under a blanket, weak, dehydrated, and barely conscious. Nobody had stopped by to check on her. Nobody had thought about her. The truth is, this kind of situation could happen to any of us. Whether it's a storm, a grid failure, a wildfire, or something we don't see coming at all. We can't always stop the crisis, but we can be prepared for it. And no, I'm not talking about building bunkers, living in fear, or panic buying. I'm talking about quiet, thoughtful, practical preparation. Preparation that says, I may be older, but I'm not powerless. I may live by myself, but I'm not unprotected. I may not be physically strong, but I carry wisdom. In this video, I'm going to share 15 essential items every wise, seasoned woman should always keep close by. Some are practical, some are personal, and a few may surprise you, but each one has the ability to protect your safety, dignity, and peace of mind, no matter what comes. Item 1, a whistle. There's a reason this comes first. It may be the smallest item in your kit, but it could be the one that saves your life. Not a phone, not a flashlight, a whistle. A simple, old-fashioned whistle that hangs from your neck or clips onto your keys. Here's the truth. In many emergencies, especially for older adults, your voice won't carry far enough. You may fall and not be able to reach the phone. You may be stuck behind a locked door or outdoors in freezing cold where nobody hears you. But a whistle cuts through distance, walls, and weather. It never needs charging. It doesn't require batteries. It works in darkness, in rain, even when your hands are trembling. It's not flashy until the moment you need it. Keep one on your bedside table, one clipped to your handbag or walker, and another taped to your emergency bag. Tell your loved ones where they are, because in that moment when fear rises and your voice won't work, this little whistle will. It shouts for you, I'm here, come help me. And that can make all the difference. Item 2, unscented baby wipes. In a crisis, comfort is the first thing we lose. No hot water, no clean towels, no shower, no proper way to wash hands. And yet, the smallest acts of care can restore strength. That's why baby wipes are powerful. They're not just for babies. They're for you. They let you stay clean, fresh, and human when everything else feels out of control. You can wipe your hands before eating, clean your face before bed, or freshen up after a stressful day. For older adults, especially when bending or mobility is difficult, wipes make hygiene easy. Always choose unscented, better for sensitive skin, and safer for long-term storage. Skip the perfumed kinds. They can irritate your skin and even attract bugs in warmer weather. Keep a full pack in your emergency drawer, a travel pack in your car or purse, and a few in a zip bag inside your go bag. Because even a small refreshment can change your entire mindset. Survival isn't just about food and water. It's about dignity. And dignity begins with feeling clean, cared for, and in control. Item 3, a small tin of your favorite tea. This one isn't about physical survival. It's about emotional survival, comfort, calm, memory. A little tin with a few bags of your favorite tea can be a lifeline. Taste and smell are tied deeply to memory. A cup of tea can transport you back to your childhood kitchen, to quiet mornings with your spouse, to peace. Emergencies are loud and unsettling, but the act of steeping tea, just holding it in your hands, slows your heart, calms your mind, and restores routine. You might not always have boiling water, but when you do, you'll be glad for that familiar flavor. Pick what you love. Chamomile for rest, peppermint for nausea, black tea for energy. Keep 5 or 6 tea bags in a small tin or container so they stay dry. Because survival isn't only about making it through. It's about staying connected to yourself, even when the world outside feels strange. Item 4, adult undergarments. Even if you don't think you need them, keep some in your kit. Stress, illness, interrupted routines, or lack of bathrooms can all lead to accidents, even for people who've never had issues before. Having a few discreet, absorbent pads or briefs isn't weakness. It's wisdom. It protects dignity when help is delayed or facilities are unavailable. Pack 2 or 3 with gloves, a small trash bag, and wipes in a zippered pouch. Clearly label it. You may never use them, but if the day comes, you'll be grateful they're there. Because preparedness isn't about fear, it's about freedom. Freedom to move without shame, to stay clean, confident, and unafraid. Item 5, a flashlight with big, easy button. During a blackout, a flashlight is essential, but only if it's simple. Many flashlights have tiny switches, complicated modes, or require finger strength not everyone has. Choose one with a big button, easy to press, that turns on instantly, one that feels good in your hand, even if you have arthritis or tremors. Tape extra AA or AAA batteries to its handle, so you're never unprepared. Keep one by your bed, one near your front door and one in your bag or car. Because in darkness, clarity is everything, and light in your hand is peace of mind. Item 6, hard-sole house shoes. This may seem like comfort, but it's safety. In an emergency, you may have to move fast. There could be glass on the floor, water from burst pipes, or slippery stairs. Soft slippers won't protect you, but sturdy, non-slip house shoes will. Choose ones with closed toes, secure heels, and firm soles. Keep them by your bed. If you wake in the night, you can slip them on instantly and move safely. A fall in an emergency can turn bad into worse, but good house shoes can prevent it. Item 7, salt and sugar packets. These small packets can literally save lives. Mixed with water, they make an oral rehydration solution that prevents dehydration, stabilizes blood sugar, and restores energy. Dehydration is a hidden danger in disasters. It causes dizziness, confusion, even collapse. But with half a teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar in 4 cups of clean water, you can recover quickly. Store salt and sugar packets in a zip bag with a recipe printed in large font. Lightweight, simple, and life-saving. Item 8, spare glasses and a contact card. If you rely on glasses, a backup pair is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Even an old prescription is better than nothing. Keep them in a label hard case in your kit. Alongside them, include a contact card with your name, medical needs, and emergency numbers written in large print. For example, my name is Margaret Ellis. I take thyroid and blood pressure medicine daily. Please call my son David at 555-987-6543. It's not just about seeing. It's about being seen clearly in emergencies. Item 9, hard candy. Peppermints, lemon drops, honey lozenges. Simple, small, and powerful. They soothe dry mouth, give quick energy, and provide emotional comfort. In a frightening moment, offering a peppermint to yourself or a child can bring calm. Store a few individually wrapped candies in a tin or pouch. They last for years and won't spoil. Sometimes survival isn't just food and water. It's sweetness and comfort in chaos. Item 10, cards or a puzzle book. When you're waiting in darkness or shelter, time drags. Fear grows. A deck of cards, crossword puzzle, or notebook with a pen can steady your mind. Games give routine. Puzzles keep your memory sharp. Writing helps you release stress. This isn't luxury. It's mental first aid. Item 11, small bills and coins. When systems fail, cards and apps won't work. That's why you need physical cash. Keep about $50 in small bills and a few quarters sealed in a waterproof pouch. Store some in your kit, some in your car, some in a drawer. Cash means movement, independence, and freedom when everything else shuts down. Item 12, family photos. They won't light a room or heal a wound, but they may heal your heart. In long emergencies, photos remind you who you are, who loves you, and what you're fighting for. Print a few meaningful ones. Your children, grandchildren, a beloved pet, a happy memory. Keep them in a small plastic sleeve in your kit. On the back of one, write your name and address in case your bag is lost. Photos aren't paper, they're strength. Item 13, coconut oil. One small jar replaces 10 products. Moisturizer, lip balm, cooking oil, burn soother, hair detangler. It doesn't spoil quickly, it packs easily, and it's endlessly useful. Keep a travel-size container in your kit. It's gentle, healing, and multipurpose. Item 14. A daily multivitamin with calcium and vitamin D. Emergencies disrupt diets. Meals may be smaller, less varied, and less nutritious. A daily multivitamin helps protect your energy, bones, and immune system. For women over 60, calcium and vitamin D strengthen bones. Vitamin C and zinc support immunity. B vitamins stabilize energy and mood. Store a bottle in a dry, cool place and check expiration yearly. Portion a supply into a pill case for your kit. Item 15. A list of your prescriptions and a small supply of medications. This may be the most critical item in your entire kit. In a crisis, pharmacies may close. Roads may be blocked. Delivery services may stop. And yet, missing even a few days of necessary medication can turn an already stressful emergency into a life-threatening one. That's why it's essential to keep a written list of every prescription you take, including the dosage, timing, and the doctor's name. Print it clearly in large letters, and keep one copy in your wallet, one in your emergency bag, and one taped inside your kitchen cabinet. Alongside that list, store at least a small backup supply of the medications themselves. Even just 3 to 5 days' worth can make all the difference if you can't access a pharmacy right away. Ask your doctor or pharmacist if it's possible to set aside a little extra for emergencies. Place the pills in a labeled, sealed container, and check expiration dates regularly. If you take daily vitamins or over-the-counter items like aspirin, keep a supply of those as well. This is not about fear. It's about wisdom, about knowing your body and respecting its needs, even when the world outside is unpredictable. A simple list and small supplies say, I know what keeps me alive, and I will not be caught without it. Preparation is not about hoarding or panic. It's about thoughtful, quiet confidence. It's about saying, I may be older, but I am not invisible. I may be alone, but I am not defenseless. I may face challenges, but I face them with dignity, wisdom, and readiness. 15 simple items. Each one small, each one powerful. Together, they form a shield, not just against storms, outages, or disasters, but against fear itself. Because real preparedness is not only about survival, it's about peace of mind. Thank you for spending this time with us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned and how you'll apply it in your life. Your comments inspire us to keep going. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Elderly Health Tips and share. Your support makes it possible for us to continue creating content that informs and uplifts. We appreciate you watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.